What's up, fam? Welcome again to Orkisa Garage. Today I'm doing a PCV valve for 2007 SCION TC. It's fairly easy. You just need some few tools, mostly 10mm pliers, and then the PCV valve itself I think is 22mm. So these are the part number from O'Reilly. This one right here. This one, PCV Valve 2369. Alright, let's do it. So this is the engine cover. Just have to take this 10mm. This one right here. And it's off, and it's easy, you can do it. And this one right here, you need that one. This is your PCV valve right here. So if you're doing smog, it's always better to change it. So if you replacing this one, if you're replacing the PCV valve, it's better to get this one, the PCV valve hose, because it's all get fragile. This one right here, or brittle. It turned to become plastic. So just get it from the dealer and stuff. Or if you can save it, that would be nice. This is the old PCV valve. You see all the gunks, and then this might get stuck from the inside because of the gunk. So I'm just gonna replace with a new one. And then to tighten this one, you just have to snug it. There you go, that's how you do PCV valve. And now I'm putting the hose. I'm gonna buy the new hose soon. So here you go. It's easy. This is 22, and then over the time, this hose right here become brittle. So you just have to be careful, or if you break it. So now you get breaks. So you just have to buy from the dealer, and it's easy. So if you're doing smog, it's better to replace it, just in case, you know, so you don't fail the smog test, because those are also important for your smog. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and subscribe. So this one is a fairly easy job. You can do it. It only takes like 10 minutes. Thank you guys.